This might be the scariest, but also the most exciting thing to be happening in tech right now. So Anthropic, the team behind Claude, has just dropped a report, and it's an incredibly fascinating look behind the curtains. The big idea has a little bit of an intimidating name. It's called recursive self-improvement, but the concept is simple. It's the point where AI becomes capable enough to design and build its own successor. Basically AI that makes better AI. Now, to be clear, we're not there quite yet, and they're very careful to point this out in the article. I'll leave a link in the description below. But the numbers they shared show that things are moving incredibly fast, and a lot faster than anyone anticipated, including themselves. So Anthropic says as of now, their typical engineer ships 8 times as much code as they were doing in 2024. 8 times. And more than 80% of the code is written by AI itself. Humans are there for direction and reviewing. And it's not just them that's speeding up. Across the entire industry, the length of tasks these systems can handle on their own has been roughly doubling every few months. A couple of years ago, AI could have handled a task that might have taken a human an hour or two. But now we've got a recent example that AI knocked out a batch of fixes that engineers estimated it would have taken them 4 years to complete. That's 4 years of work just handled by AI. Okay, so why should you care if you're not an engineer or a coder? Here's why. This is just a glimpse into how AI is reshaping entire industries. There's people talking about a one-person unicorn business already. Basically a one-person company that's valued at over $1 billion. Now, if you think about the bigger picture and how businesses are going to be run utilizing AI, how fast new products can actually be built and come to market, and just how work itself is going to be changing over the course of the next 10, 20, 30 years. The reports point out that humans' roles are narrowing down. All of the actual doing itself is getting automated, and the humans step in when there's judgment needed, taste, and deciding which problems are even worth solving in the first place. And here's the kicker. The rate of progress is only accelerating. The report describes hitting milestone after milestone, with capabilities that seemed years away showing up in just months. Now, they are being honest about the uncertainty. Maybe it will start to slow down, but we don't actually know. Maybe we'll hit limits in the computing power that we currently have. But their own read on this is that they haven't actually seen the curve bend yet. Every capability that they're currently measuring is showing a very steep line upwards. And what is scary is they're even talking about trying to slow this rate of progress down. And that balance between excitement and caution is the reason why this is such a big moment. So here's the bottom line. We're still incredibly early into this AI era, and it's already shaking up how the most cutting-edge technology on the planet gets built. So if you're excited for this, hit the like button. If you're scared for this, hit the like button. And let me know which one you are in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you at the next one.